Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. TS Inter students are desperately waiting for Inter results. So let me tell you that TS Inter results 2026 are expected to be announced anytime soon. The date will be confirmed by the examination authority soon. The Inter results can be accessed online by logging with. Students can also get their result link on SMS and on DigiLocker application, in which you can find all your documents from 10th class onwards, including your PAN card, Aadhaar card, etc. So TS Inter paper correction is already completed, and right now scrutinization and decoding coding is going on, and then uploading of papers will take place. So the approximate date for the release of TS Inter results, most tentative date is April 12th. In case they do little earlier, then we can expect by 10th April, but that is very rare as the process takes time. So expected date is 12th April. Last year the results released little late by 22nd April, but this year there is an order issued that colleges will reopen by June 1st. So the supplementary exams have to finish in the month of May itself. Probably the last week of May will be your supplementary exams and improvement as well. So as your final exam result is declared, after that you will get a notification of supplementary exam fees and dates. I will update it here only on my channel. So if you hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification, students. Now let us clear some of the doubts of the students, that what after the declaration of results. So after the declaration of TS Inter Result 2026, students need to collect their mark sheets. If they are not satisfied with their results, then they can apply for rechecking or revaluation. Next question is there revaluation of TS Inter answer sheets? Well, yes, students can apply for revaluation of TS Inter result. They can also apply for a photocopy of the evaluated answer script, which they'll get only if they apply for revaluation and not only recounting. So revaluation cost around 600 and recounting around 100 rupees. So recounting is only just counting the marks, whether correctly placed or not. But rechecking or revaluation, which we call, in that they'll check each and every answer and whether marks are allotted or not. And you will also be able to download your answer script. Now let us see some of the past trends. In 2023, the girls pass percentage was 73 and boys was 61, and overall pass percentage was 65%. In 2024, the overall pass percentage was 63, and last year, that is 2025, the pass percentage was 71%. So this year we expect a higher number. And let me tell you, students, that no extra marks are added. Till now there is no official news. Some question papers had errors, but for that during correction they have considered to properly grant marks to students, but no such thing of extra grace marks. Okay, you can check your result on tgbie.cgg.gov.in. The link I have pinned in the comment section. Don't forget to check out my video on grading system. Students, if you think I was able to help you, then don't forget to hype this video, and don't forget to contact me on my Telegram ID if you want easy notes. Do check out the playlist that I gave in the comment section and hit the bell icon to get notified for my next upcoming video.